going to position our light where we normally would for a regular repair. Okay. Then, and we're going to come in here. We're going to place these on the outer edge of the panel, so right here on either side. And then the tip is going to be on the back side, and actually we're going to push from this back side and be able to roll that edge back out with it. Using the light, we're going to see in this way.
So glad the volume's not on.
So I'm going to look over my shoulder camera. I'm actually looking down here, and I can see exactly where that tool tip is on the back side as I put pressure on it. And see how that dent is about 70% out?
Yeah.
With those few pushes. Then I'm going to make a little bit of a roll motion to kind of bring the edge back into form, as far as, you know, the way it matching the back door. Got the edge back. We got a couple little high spots we got to knock down. Now, when it does buckle over the edge like this, it'll create a high ridge right here where it buckled over that frame. So we need to go in there and tap that down also. But we'll tap this down, tap those couple little high points, put that down, and we're good to go. But if you look here now, it should be, I'll get the door jammer right here. We close the door. It's back even. So we got that gap out of it that was there because it was bent over. So like I said, now we just need to go in here and tap those couple of high spots down. All right, good to go.